Join me this Sunday as I return back to YouTube videos. This is my first video in 4 months, and I'm going to show you behind the scenes footage of the Harley Davidson 120th anniversary.
Literally lost my motorcycle keys. Looking for my road glide.
It's about to go down.
Right now, I'm headed to the Burger Build-Off with Maddie Madison. We got some meat. Come on!
In this vlog, we're going to see some cool people, and we're going to find out what Quincy has been doing for the past 4 months. There's so much to share with you, and you're going to get an all-inclusive view of my van life road trip from St. Louis to Arizona. Let's go.